it was a heartbreaking moment for me na I know there is a 99% outcome. Now when I come back from my vacation, I believe that I am within my rights, no, with the company. When I took the PTO, parang I felt like so many pushback, yung parang I wasn't happy anymore. Yung kinu-question pati sarili mo na, am I worth going back to this work?
Where is it?
What's the name of that?
Tartar.
Show me. Labi-dabi.
Yeah.
I thought you're an adult. You're still a kid. So we can board early. Traveling with kids. Thank you so much, Zoe. Thank you so much, Zoe. Traveling with kids. Start boarding now. Taiwan. You should take a picture out there. Happy?
Yeah, a bit.
Wait at the end. Look. Just look at it. I'm gonna paste your face out there.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Yeah.
All the windows. Hold on. Oh, there's a lot of people.
So it's officially in Taiwan.
For the second time.
World's Traveler. There's a boba? Oh, there's a boba. Zoe! Zoe! It's heaven!
나 발레 타임은
Find a Lego store? Oh, God.
Those are so cute. Good morning, Mello. Good morning, Mello. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Ayun po ay Friday. And Nag-i-snow na po. So, wala pa po tayong tulog. I'm still adjusting to my sleep. And, gigisingin ko Zoe kasi papasok si Zoe sa school. And, ganyan po ang ating araw ngayon. Meron po akong meeting mamaya mga alas 9 ng umaga. And, meron po akong pasabog sa inyo guys. Meron po akong sasabihin. And, I think this was expected already. Pero, ipa-plug ko lang. Okay, I will see you soon. So, hindi po ako excited sa ganitong umaga. Okay, napalot na po ng snow ang ating kapaligiran. Ganyan po ang ating umaga ngayon. So, I'm not sure how big is the snow. Pero, tayo ay mag-shovel mamaya para na walang may madulas. And, hindi po papasok sa bahay yan, kasi yan papasok sa bahay at magmo-moist sa ating mga kawawa naman yung sasakyan natin mamaya so hindi naman siya malamig masyado kasi pagka hindi po siya malamig masyado pagka ganyan ang tipo ng snow. I think nasa 20s tayo ngayon. Ganyan lang. Gigisingin ko sa Zoe kasi alas 6:30 na. And kailangan niyang pumasok. Good morning! Say good morning to Mommy.
Good morning.
So it's a snowstorm. No, normal snow lang pala to. So, andito nag-aantay kami kasama si Zoe. Sinamahan ko na. And may dala akong walis. Kasi yung walis ay parang yung walis ay binawalis ko yung dinadaanan namin. Zoe? Zoe?
Yeah?
What can you tell about this now?
I love it.
You love it? Which one do you love? Philippines or snow?
Philippines well.
Can I see your face? So the snow is so floppy, right?
Yeah.
Up sis, up sis, up sis. Okay, can you hold this? 1 minute.
I'm getting snowflakes.
Okay. Hey, show me your face. Do you know guys, Zoe she turned tan. She had sunburn and she had tan. Did you tan at all? Yeah? What did your dad say?
He didn't really say anything.
He didn't say anything?
No.
So, ayan guys.
Why do you see the design of the snowflakes?
I don't know. Say, there's a snow plowing. There's a plow. There's a plow. Turn around your head. Ah, it turns. Okay. Umikot sa kabila. So, ayan ang kagandahan dito kasi umaga yung mga public works they spend time na para isalt yung main roads and then may mga plow team na nagpa-plow ng mga daan, yung mga streets pinaplow nila, but the majority is the main road. Yun yung inuuna nila madaling araw pa lang. So hindi masyadong madulas pagka magda-drive ka. Ayan o, tingnan mo yan o, pinaplow. Oo, yung sasakyan ni Angel nasa gilid, so iiwasan nila yan. Ayan. While they are plowing, they are also spreading some salt. The bus is here, Zoe. Ipapasok ko pala yung sasakyan ni Angel. Para pagka nag-salt sila, masusalt ng ng mga daan namin para na hindi kami madudulas dyan. But I have to take my car out. So, hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin mamaya. Mag-exchange kami. Ayan. So, the bus is here. Alam nyo guys, it's 7 o'clock pero akala mo madaling araw. Kasi walang sun. It's gonna be like this. For how many months, Zoe?
I don't know, like 2 months.
Maybe 2-3 months, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like it.
You like it?
A bit, yeah.
Oh my God. Everybody's gonna be depressed. So if you pay attention, your bus is, I think, the first one or the second one?
It's the first one.
It's the first one?
Yeah, that second one comes off.
Okay, you go this way, okay? In the curve.
The second one turns. The second one usually turns almost before it reaches us.
Okay. I love you, lovey-dovey. This way, this way. Hey, this way. Stop. Not yet. Okay, I love you, lovey-dovey. Take care. Bye-bye. Go. Hurry up. Thank you. Okay, it's my turn to go back. I salute to those bus drivers. They are the best. Ayan guys, oh. So, ang ginagawa ako, pagdadaan ako. Meron akong pang iwas ng snow. Ganyan lang. Para-paraan. At the same time, mag-i-enjoy ka rin. Ayan ang ginawa ko kanina, oh. Kay Zoe. Teka, finisan ko muna yung sasakyan ng anak ko. Then, ipapasok ko to. Papasok ko yung sasakyan niya. Kukunin ko yung susi para maipasok ko na. So, kukuha ko ng shovel mamaya. Isa-shovel ko to. Kailangan ko ilabas. Ayan guys. Pasok natin yung sasakyan ng anak ko para na pagka nag-plow mamaya hindi matambakan kasi natatambakan yan eh. Ito yung parang magandang klase ng snow kasi floppy siya pero delikado din. Patay tayo. Pumasok. Okay. Okay, naipasok na natin yung sasakyan niya. And, oh. Magsa-shovel tayo. Maglagay muna ako ng medyas. So, ayan guys. Mamumuti na naman tayo nito ng buong araw. May after school si Zoe mamaya mga alas 4 ng hapon. Susundiin ko yun. Yan. Kaya gustong-gusto ko mag-work from home. Ay, nako. Good morning guys. It is Saturday. Wala tayong Zoe ngayon. And ito po ang ating bubungad sa ating araw. Kanyan. Namumuti na po ang ating paligid. I am not missing this at all. So, gusto ko nang bumalik ng Pilipinas ulit. OMG. So, ganito. Malamig tayo ngayon. Crusty yung daan. And kailangan kong mag-salt kasi hindi pwede na ganyan tayo kasi ilalabas si Milo. Then, ayaw kong ipasok yung snow sa bahay. And ang dami kong mga sunburn nung umuwi ako dito. Talagang nagpipeel off ako. And eto ay dati na. So, nagsa-sunburn po tayo. Ganyan po ang ating buhay ngayon. Balik reality tayo. Balik reality. Ayan. Ay, nako. Ayan, guys. I'll see you. Baka mamaya magluluto ako. Guys, lalabas kami ng Milo ng ganitong sitwasyon. It is snowing so bad. And we'll see kung kakayanin ni Milo to. Now? Okay. Ewan ko lang sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo to. Palit tayo. Gusto ko nang bumalik ulit sa Pilipinas. So, bubuksan natin yung sasakyan ng anak ko. Kasi pinapabuksan niya sa akin para na mag-warm up na bago pa siya pumunta sa trabaho. Okay guys. Iwanan ko kayo dyan. Welcome to the Winterland. Nagtatrabaho siya. So, ayan guys, oh. Ay, naku po. Pasok tayo. Papasok ko si Melo. Do you like it? Do you like it? You like it, huh? You like it? Melo likes the snow. So yung kahapon nilinis ko na yan pero nag-accumulate ulit. Ang ganda ng reflection pagka may araw, oh. Ayan, naarawan na po tayo. So mga 30 degrees po tayo today, which is good. Hindi masyadong malamig, pero ang ganda po ng reflection ng snow pagka may araw. Nag-i-sparkle po siya. Hindi lang makita sa camera, but they are sparkling on the ground. So, nagre-reflect po sila. So, para siyang sobrang maaraw, tsaka sobrang puti ng paligid. Yan. Ang ating marites. Nakikimarites. Yan, nakikimarites siya kasi may sasakyan doon. Yan, may sasakyan doon. So, tinitingnan niyo kung sino. Ayan. Is there someone there, Melo? Huh? Someone there? Huh? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Do you wanna go out and play? You wanna go out and play? Is that the face? Huh? Sit down. Sit down. Can you sit down? Sit. Sit now. Sit. That's a good girl, huh? That's a good girl. Yeah. Give me your paw. The other paw. Can you do a high five? Aww. So, nakabuntot po yan parati. Takot na sigurong maiwanan. Buntot na siya ng buntot sa akin. Yeah, Mellow girl. Yes, Mellow girl. High five. Good girl. Good girl. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal-tagal bago tayo nakabalik dito sa ating upuan in the basement. So, we're back from the Philippines. Medyo tayo ay nag-adjust sa ating time kasi we were having a very bad jet lag. Uy, ang laki ng ano ko, laki ng dito ko. Takpan natin. Okay. So eto guys, galing tayo sa tropical country and then pagbalik natin dito ay naku po, nag-i-snow ang ating lugar. So, mayroon po akong sasabihin sa inyo. So, before I left on vacation, remember I said na yung video ko na ginawa ko while I was in the parking lot, it was a heartbreaking moment for me na I know there is a 99% outcome na when I come back from my vacation, I won't be working with my company anymore. So, ayun guys, pagbalik ko dito, remember I submitted my request for my PTO weeks prior my vacation. And I'm not sure who handles the PTO, who handles the site in my previous company. I'm telling you, previous company. Pagbalik ko po dito ng aking vacation, nasa air pa ako while I was flying. Naka-receive yung email na yon, it was sent in the morning while I was in the air. So natanggap ko siya when we turn on our data. Dito na, malapit na kami sa immigration. Paglapag namin, yun, ang sabi ng HR, I have to respond before the end of the day. But of course, dumating kami gabi. So, hindi ako nakapag-respond. And I talked to them in the morning, the next day. Sabi ko, kararating lang namin, ganito, blah, blah, blah. And it turns out that they are questioning the number of PTO na I accrued in the company. And I'm like, wow. You know, so I said that I believe that I am within my rights, with the company when I took the PTO, and I know I accrued the PTO. I have the rights to consume my PTO before the end of the year. So parang hinanapan nila ako ng butas na while they know that I am leaving for vacation, wala silang sinabi bago ako umalis. Then nung bumalik na ako, yung HR, the HR was hired mga 1 year pa lang siya dito sa company. So, nung bumalik na ako, tsaka nila question. I know why. Kasi, I left na wala akong masyadong sale. And, kinu-question nila kung bakit marami akong PTOs, was I eligible for the PTO, mga tipong mga ganun, yung parang maraming mga pushback, okay? So many pushbacks. So, sa akin naman, why you guys did not speak out when I told you that I'm going for a vacation prior me leaving US? Bakit nyo sa akin sasabihin ngayon nung umuwi na ako dito? So, I was like in a jet lag. Super dizzy na hindi ko mabukas yung mata ko. Parati akong, parang yung naghahanap talaga ng tulog. Yung mga ganun. I thought it through. Sabi ko, deep in my heart, bago pa ako umalis, talagang mayroon na siyang heaviness sa akin. Marami na siyang parang sign sa akin na the company is no good for me anymore. So, nung mayroon akong, para nila akong nilagay na sa, para nila akong nilagay sa jail work for 2 days. So, meaning, hindi ako nakapagtrabaho ng 2 days since na dumating ako dito. And para nilang nag-investigate sila, nagko-question sila, where did they go wrong? Yung parang naghahanap sila ng butas para nasabihin sa akin na I was wrong. And they want me to acknowledge and admit na I was wrong. So I said, I haven't manipulated the system. I accrued the PTO. I have a balance a number of days in my PTOs. Sabi ko ganon, I have 11 PTOs. I said, when I was hired in the first year, I wasn't aware that I have a balance of my PTO and I did not use all of them and it was gone. So, I said, I make sure that this year, I have to consume my PTO. Sabi ko ganun sa kanila. So, in a short story, parang I felt like so many pushback, yung parang I wasn't happy anymore. Yung tipo na parang mong kinu-question pati sarili mo na, am I worth going back to this work? Am I worth for this company? Sabi kong ganon. Then they mentioned, yeah, because you took your PTO, you did not reach your goal in December. And I'm like, wow, sa utak ko. And the HR said, in fact, you're not eligible for PTO at all. So, nung marinig ko yon, I signed a contract that I can accrue PTOs, that I can have the PTOs whenever I want. And nung marinig ko yung sinabi niya sa akin, I cut her. Sabi ko, wait, I don't wanna waste your time. Pag nung sinabi na yon, sabi ko, I think I was within my rights, that I consume my PTO within the company, and I don't like hearing the pushbacks. I don't like being on a jail work when I arrived while you guys were eager for me to work during my PTOs, during my vacation times. And napalunok siya kasi gusto niya pa rin akong parusahan, gusto niya akong tuloy-tuloy magtrabaho but increased my goal. Yun ang point niya. So sabi ko, I don't think I am happy. I think it's unfair na I have to keep working with the company. The company has nothing to do with this. It's my own decision. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Sabi ko, I think it is unfair that I have to keep working and keep pushing while I'm unhappy. You guys are not happy with me, and I don't want to be in a jail work in the near future again because I haven't reached my goal. So yun. So I resigned. I am no longer with them, and I have a new company. I work part-time. Medyo mababa yung sahod kasi hourly siya. Wala nang komisyon, but I have to spend hours. So kung ano lang yung hours na in-spend ko, let's say I spend 30 hours in a week, then I'm paid 30 hours in a week. There's no goal connected. Wala na siyang yung parang commission lang, yung mga ganon. But it's a store base, so kailangan ko pumunta sa store. Then it's just a few hours within the day. Then for the meantime, that's what I am going to do. Parang pang fill in ko lang while I'm looking for another job. So utakan natin yung panahon, guys. So pang fill in ko lang. So yun ang aking pasabog sa inyo. And here's another one. My mom is flying in this month. So dadating po yung nanay ko, and that's why I have the guts to take a job na, you know, hindi makasira sa schedule ni Zoe while she is in school. So mayroong magbabantay kay Zoe while I am working. And that would be, you know, yung pag-resign ko is not forced. I decided it to myself due nga nung mga months prior, sobrang stress ko sa kanila. So it is my will na umalis sa company nila, and it's too bad kasi may awarding kami, yung company is may awarding banquet, may awarding this month, and isa ako sa mga awardees nila. I don't care. So last year I won the Rookie of the Year, and it has money attached to it, but this year I won't be there to claim that prize, and I don't care, you know, pera lang yan. I can work hard and to earn that money again. I can earn that title somewhere else in some other companies. So sabi nila ganon, napakaganda daw ng company nila, etc. So wala lang. So I felt bad sa mga customers ko that I built relationship with, na they are assuming na dadating pa rin ako, na babalik pa rin ako, but I'm not there anymore. So I felt bad for them kasi sila yung mga tao na talagang they stick with me regardless of the situation, na kahit na mataas yung presyo ko or kahit na hindi nila kailangan, they buy it kasi kailangan ko, yung mga ganun. We need to support you para na tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho mo, yung mga ganun tipo. So I emailed some of them na I'm no longer with the company and etc. etc. They're sad na hindi na nila makikita. Sabi nila, we will miss your visits, we'll miss your baking, we'll miss, you know, your being jolly, and that we'll miss your personality. And they said, you know, I'm sure the company will miss you. So yan, right now I am on a part-time. Then I will be starting this week, and there you go, guys. So and I will tell you in my next video about our vacation, kung ano mga ginawa namin, and how much we spent during the vacation. But you know what, it was a once in a lifetime para kay Zoe. Just a hint with you, she said, I lost counting how many lolas, how many aunts, how many cousins I have, yung ganong tipo, sabi ni Zoe. And I will show you in my next, I will see you in my next video. But you know, eto, winter tayo dito sa Chicago, and eventually, you know, 1, 2, 3 days pa lang kami dito, all of us said we miss Philippines already. So ayan, guys, so I'm looking forward for my mom to arrive, and hopefully she will love the weather here. Hopefully she can survive the cold. And I have so many updates with you, so my video, you know, this video is all over the place. I know I am so hyper right now to tell you everything, but my year starts with, you know, full of dreams, full of wishes, and I am happy for 2025, and I welcome whatever opportunity I have in the year 2025. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I know you guys are there who support me. Looking forward to watch more videos, but I have some limited time sometimes, because when we came back, you know, we struggle with our sleep, we struggle with and also I was sick while I was arriving here. So that's all, guys. So hopefully you keep on watching my videos, and bye for now. All right, one. You can a little bit, a little bit of Eskimo today. A little Eskimo today, okay? It's below today. It's below normal.
And I can't find no silver lining. Yeah, you can just stand still like this. Or you just put your arms on. Oh my god! Goodbye, everybody.